Take a small round piece of cardboard and some tissue papers. In case you don't have tissue paper, you may also use newspaper or normal papers, and then soak it in water for half an hour. The same way, you can see I have mixed it all. I have not shown the process, but I have grinded it in a mixer. So grind it in a mixer. Now I'm transferring the sample in another container. You can see, and now I'm adding 2 small tablespoons of wall putty or white cement. If you don't have this, you can may also skip this step. This is optional. And now very small spoon of fevicol. This step is very important, as the fevicol will adhere the tissue papers onto the cardboard. So this is very important step, but don't use much, right? And then mix it all. Now you can use any color of your own choice, any acrylic color or poster color, and any color. I'm using yellow as it will fit to the combination, so I'm using yellow, but you can always use anything else. And then mix it well. Use very less amount of acrylic color, as thoda sa hoga, then it will mix very properly. You can see how perfect the color is coming. Stick the tissue papers on the cardboard using your finger. You may also use any tool like knife or spoon, but I'm using fingers to get more perfect curves. So follow the same steps as shown in the video. I hope you must have enjoyed the craft. In case you recreate this craft, then do tag me on Instagram. The link of my Instagram ID is given on the description box. So go and check. So let's meet in another video.